Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your device and operating system so you change the right settings. On Windows, use the Start menu and click Settings. On Android, open Settings and search for Lock Screen. Once done, make sure you have any custom wallpaper backed up because some changes revert images. Next, locate Personalization or Lock Screen options. These are the controls that show or hide promotions and suggestions. Now tap or click into the lock screen settings to begin disabling ad and suggestion features. You'll now remove the ad sources by toggling options off. On Windows, set background to picture or slideshow and turn off Get fun facts, tips, and more from Windows, or show lock screen notifications to stop sponsored content. On Android, open lock screen settings or app permissions and revoke drawover and lock screen notification rights for apps that push promos. Once you've adjusted those switches, also inspect individual apps. Disable lock screen access and notification previews so third-party promotions. You finish by saving changes and restarting your device to ensure the new settings take effect. If promotions still appear, review recently installed apps and browser extensions, because adware often re-enables suggestions. Uninstall anything suspicious. Make sure notification previews are off and lock screen widgets are removed. If problems continue, run a malware scan and, as a last resort, reset lock screen personalization to defaults, then reconfigure. This clears stubborn entries and restores a clean, ad-free lock screen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.